Hey guys, so you're probably wondering why I look like a boy right now, and the actual reasoning behind that is because, oh no, my name, we need to fix the name, we just need to make it a dot, it'll be working, it shall work, okay, that's perfect. And now guys, guess what? We can, so I heard that apparently sometimes if you dress up as a boy, because there's a lot of, like, girls that dress up as boys, to win the, balls to get the 500 diamonds, and that's what I'm gonna try today, because I have not tried this so far. I have not, ever, but I couldn't find the classic body type, so I just put this one on, and now I look ridiculous, so, I don't think that people will believe this. I don't really know. Because when people vote for me, oh no. Oh wait, because it doesn't show. It doesn't show what their actual avatar is. So this will actually work. See, that's probably a girl. Like, all these people are probably girls. No matter whether they look like a boy or not. Literally. That is the thing. Okay. Okay. Why does it glitch like this? What is going on right now? I'm confused. Okay, what is this? Like, what is going on here? What? Okay, I'm confused. How do I get away? How do I stop this? Can I move now, please? I'm gonna have to reset and just, like, retry. Yeah, that's what I need to do. Okay. Okay, wait, so this is what we look like? Probably no one is gonna believe this because, like, yeah. No one's gonna believe this. Literally, no one. No one will believe this. I'm just gonna wait here. You know what? We need a different face. Because this face is not working. I don't know. But I want to test this out. You know what? Halloween face. Halloween. Where's the Halloween? The spooky ones. Yeah. We're evil. This looks so stupid, but, like, literally, I love this so much. There's a girl that somehow deleted her legs. How do you do that? I gotta figure out. It gonna melt. What? Okay, so weird. She's just here. I love her kitty slippers, though. I love those. Those are adorable. But, yeah, this is basically, this is how to win 500 diamonds at the Royal High Ball. Okay, this is... It got so hot it melted. What? Girl, that don't make sense. This ghost girl is not making any sense. Wait, so how does she make her legs disappear like that? Does she put on, like, a weird body type and then just, like... I'm spooky man. Wait, spooky man. S-P... S-P... Spoo... S-P-O... Spook... Spooky... Man. Spooky man. Period. Spooky man. Yeah, I'm just like, I'm on fire today. This is one of the stupidest things I've ever done. But, you know, it's good. It's a good thing. It's fun. Where did everybody go? Did everybody just, like, leave the ball right away? Or are they in this room? Are you hiding? What is going on? I'm confused. Spooky, man. Yeah. Yeah, there's no one in here. Why? What's happened? Where did everyone go? Where did everyone go? Like, did they all leave early or something? Like, I'm confused. I am very, very confused right now. What is going on? Oh, lol. Oh, lol. I'm dying right now. Okay, who's that? Who's there? Who are you? Okay, good. Here, wait. Yes! Thank you, Queen. Okay, I hope we win. Because, yeah. Wait, guys, I just realized something. You can get in. Can't you? You can actually get in. Like, isn't that a thing? Can't you actually get in here? You should be able to, like, glitch in. You can! Guys! You can glitch in. Literally. I'm gonna vote for this girl because, yeah, whatever. Why not? I'm not voting for Prince Chad. You know what? I think people might vote for me because I'm Spooky Man. Duh. You know, I'm just gonna vote for all these people. We're over here. Wait, no. Not her. There we go. How is she like a part of the ball? Okay, yes, she... I don't have any votes remaining, man. Okay. Whatever. I'm excited. Let's see who won. Oh my lord. Lol. This is the funniest thing I have ever done. Okay, we need to go to this one, I'm pretty sure, and then we need to just like glitch in there. And you know what? Guess what? We'll sit down here. We sit down here. This is our new seat. Haha. No one else can get in but us. Okay, well, there she is. Okay. Results are in. Oh, man. Man, I didn't get anything for that. Die, Prince Chad. I'm Spooky Man. You know what? We gotta look creepier then. We gotta look creepier. We gotta look we gotta look like the most terrifying creature in the world. Oh. Ooh. Scary. Too scary, though. Oh, my lord. You know what? We'll do this one. That's fun. I like that. Okay, wait. Hee hee. We're gonna look evil. Wait. and black. We just want to look super scary and evil. You know what, guys? Let's go back to our normal outfit. I have a plan. Here, guys. Let's go back to Kawaii Pumpkin. Anyways, I guess that's it for today, guys. Anyways, bye-bye.